everyone, this video will be specially for lovers of Edwardian era because today I would like to show you how to make an Edwardian blouse.
The blouse is made from white cotton with decorative tags and a lace insertion, which was extremely popular in Edwardian era. At first sight, the blouse might look like a difficult project, but it is actually basic shape, and all tags and lace sections are made separately and then sewed together.
So, I hope you will enjoy this video and perhaps it inspires you to create your own Edwardian blouse.
The making the blouse is a bit like putting together jigsaw puzzles. You will make one piece and then join it with another. The blouse consists of the front and back center panel with the tags, the side panels and the sleeves with the cuffs. You will need a lightweight cotton, for example wool or batiste, then lace, in the best case the antique lace which you can find in an antique shop. First, make up the front panel with the tags. Mark the vertical tag lines, fold along the fold line, ensuring that both stitch lines match. Pin the stitch lines and then use your iron to press this fold down. Ironing will help you to stabilize the fold. Sew the tag lines on your sewing machine following the marked stitch line. Now the front panel is finished, you can set it aside, and now it's time to make the back panel. The back panel consists of two pieces, because in the center there will be the fastening. Now repeat the same procedure and make the tags on the back panels. Trim the edges of the panel to 5 mm wide and then pin the lace all around the edge. Use the zigzag stitch to sew the lace to the front panel, or you can stitch it by your hand. Pin and then sew the lace on the back panels, but only on one side. Now iron the front and back panels with the lace. Now use the dropping method to create the side panels. The process is very simple, it just consists of dropping material over the form and then using the pins to shape material. To decorate the side panels, I decided to make 3 tags at shoulder seam. Cut out the pattern pieces for front and back side panels. Now, make 3 tags in place of the shoulder seam, the middle tags make longer. Pin the side panels to the front and back panels and then use a zigzag stitch to sew the panels together. Now, iron the front and back panels. Sew the panels at sides together and then at shoulders. Now, make the construction of the long sleeve. I recommend to use the book called Creating Historical Clothes by Elizabeth Friendship, where you can find instruction to explain how to make the construction of the long sleeve. Cut out the sleeve pattern. Make marks at the sleeve head. Here will be 3 tags. Make 3 tags in the center of the sleeve. Mark the cutting line for your placket over the sleeve. With very short stitch length, stitch the placket around the cutting line. Make a vertical cut into the sleeve fabric. Open the slit so it forms wide and pin the bias tape to the slit with the right side together and then sew it together. Fold the bias tape over the wrong side and pin, then stitch the tape in place by hand. Sew the side of the sleeve together. Pin the sleeve to the armhole opening and then baste it. Sew the straight stitch around the edges of the sleeve and armhole opening to secure it together. Cut out 4 pieces of the fabric for the cuffs. Pin and then sew the top edge of the cuff. Pin and then stitch the lace on the front cuff. Gather the bottom edge of the sleeve to the width of the cuff. Pin and then sew the cuff to the bottom edge of the sleeve. Pin and then sew the bottom loop on the front of the cuff. Now sew the cuff along the short side. Sew the button on the right side of the cuff. Fold the seam allowances of the cuff inward and then sew down with whip stitches. Prepare the center back for the snap placket by folding over the center back edges. Then sew it with whip stitches. Mark the line for the collar. Cut out the collar pattern pieces. Make 2 tags on the collar. Sew the lace on the top of the collar. Pin and then sew the top edge of the collar. Now sew the collar to the neckline of the blouse. Pin and then sew 2 button loops on the front of the collar. Now sew the collar along the short side. Sew the button on the right side of the collar. Fold the seam allowances of the collar inward, pin and then sew down with whip stitches. Turn up the bottom edge of the blouse, pin and then sew down with whip stitches. Sew the snaps on the snaps placket. Mark the line approximately 5 cm below the waistline. Here, make a tunnel for an elastic cord. Pin and then sew down the tunnel. Insert an elastic cord. And now we're done. I personally love this type of the blouse. It looks so delicate and feminine, and it's very typical for the look of Edwardian era. I completed my blouse with a dark blue walking skirt, a brooch that fits magically to the collar, and you can also use a straw hat. I read somewhere that I am supposed to remind people to subscribe, so do that if you like, and I hope we will see soon for a new historical sewing project. And I think that's all. If you like this video, please give me a like or comment. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!